Hello, people who are seeing this video right now. I got another Velo by Wix tutorial right here. No, just so as I said, so I got another Velo by Wix great tutorial right here that will help you a lot, okay? Yeah, will help you a lot of displaying elements in mobile only. So you have a website and you want people that if they view the website in desktop, something would not appear, but if they view it on mobile, then it will appear. And we're gonna be doing this with code. Maybe you will be saying, why with code if there is a way of doing it without code? You may get confused sometimes with that, and no, don't think that because there is not a way of doing it without code. The way of doing it without code is if you want to be the element to be visible on desktop and hide it on mobile. For that you don't have to do any coding. Now if you want it to be hide it on desktop and visible on mobile, for that you will have to do some coding, but just a little bit of coding. I think 2 or more lines. If it is not 2, then it is 3, okay? Or maybe 4, but it's just very easy, okay? And the best part of this, of the easy things here, is that I leave a code snippet below so that you can access that code snippet and just copy and paste the code for this tutorial in your great Velo by Wix. Okay, so let's start with this good thing right here. So the first thing that you need to do is of course go to the editor in Wix. Then turn on developer mode. If you don't know how to turn on developer mode, just need to go to developer mode and turn on developer mode. You see there it says turn off developer mode, but that's it. That is because I already have it turned on. Now you need to select the element that you want to hide. For this example, I'm just gonna add my own element. Usually I'm just gonna duplicate this little element there and I'm gonna put, this is just for a tutorial. And that's it. And now let's go into the code to hide this from desktop and put viewable on mobile. So we need to click on it. First of all, we need to click on it. We need to open the code panel, and then it says open the masterpage.js file to edit these elements properties and add events. So you're gonna click open masterpage.js. Now this will appear. You're gonna click that hidden button. Now you're gonna go to your page code panel. Either if it is the home page, the contact page, any page you want to hide the element you want that is on this page on. And well, now we need to add the code. So do not delete that example code. We're just gonna write this after the example code. So this is the code that you need to use. So you're gonna import Wix window from Wix window, and then if the Wix window is a form factor, the mobile text for thing show. Okay. So what is saying that is that if a person accesses it on mobile, then the text will show. So as you see, we have the ID of the item that you want to show. It can be whatever if you want to show only on mobile, it can be whatever you want. It can be the chat box, whatever you want. Here is the ID. So for example, if the ID of yours is candy, not like that, candy like that, then you have to change it there to candy 2, or if not, it will say that it is not a valid selector. I am just gonna leave this at example. I'm gonna put that there example 2. Remember, it needs to match as I just said. And now let's test this. So I open this from desktop, and let's preview it on desktop. So as we see, since we preview it on desktop, then it does not appear. Now if we preview it from mobile, then it does appear. So as we see, this wonderful thing works. And now that I have told you this wonderful thing that works, now buy this was on the video. And remember, the code snippet is below in the description. And now yeah, buy this was all the video.